y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Debbie. Today I have a lot of boxes. I don't even know how many. I'll have to count them whenever I am done. But I am going to unbox all of these and I'm going to show you the canvases. I'm not going to go through the toolkits, not going to go through any of the drills or anything like that. But this is part 2 of my series of my Diamond Art Club stash. I am not destashing any of these, but I wanted to show you what I have in my stash so you can see why I need to get cranking, not buy so much, and to start using some of these. Also wanted to let everyone know, disclaimer here first, that I am an Diamond Art Club affiliate, and if you use my link, I may earn a small commission. And if I do, it goes back to my channel. And of course, it's not expected, but always appreciated. If you have never purchased from Diamond Art Club, you can save 10% by using that code. So I am going to move all these boxes. I'm going to have around 10 or so unboxed at a time. And then that way I can move things around so I will have space to be able to do this. I'm having to do this in our dining room because I don't have room anywhere else for all of these boxes. So let me move all this out of the way so we can look at these canvases, and I'll be back in just a minute. Don't go anywhere. Okay, this one is Minion Love. It is a 73 by 20 inch or 186 by 51 centimeters, and it has 51 colors. So it's very long. I think it's really cute. My daughter loves the Minions. So I don't know where we'll put this, but it's going to be fun to do. And most of Mandie's are a lot of color blocking. So once I do decide on which ones I want to work on this year, it shouldn't take me too terribly long. One of my goals for this year is to complete one princess panel and of Mandie's, and so that's what I plan on doing. This one is Into Wonderland. It is 49 colors. It is a 51 by 71 inch. I've had that one for a long time as well. This one is Where the Fun Never Ends, and it is a 51 by 137 centimeters. So I'm just going to kind of roll it up a little bit just so you can see it. Some of these I know are no longer available because the princess ones went out, I would say in 2020, maybe 2021. And I only got a few of those because I was not really collecting until after they pretty much were discontinued. But there's a lot of Mandies that's still on the website. The larger ones I'm just going to move over out of the way. And some of these have already fallen over. There's so many of them. And since I wasn't able to leave them out, they're kind of curling up a little bit. But there was just too many to leave out. I was kind of nervous to do that. This one is one of my newer ones. It is the Water Fairy. And this one is a 51 by 81 centimeter. It has 51 colors. This one, which I really love, is 38 colors. I'll move it down some so you can see. And this one is Mama Knows Best. It is 47 by 84 centimeters. And I think this is the one that I want to do for my princess panel. I just love this one. I love all of them, but I really like this one. And the next one is also a longer princess panel, and this one has 48 colors. I'll move it down. Let me see how large it is. It is a 42 by 106 centimeters, and this one is Make a Wish and Take a Bite. So there's that one. Then I have Wonder Woman. This is another, I think, fairly new, maybe like back in the summer or so. It's, I think it's still on the website possibly. This is a 67 colors. is a 51 by 76 centimeters. This one is Wonder Woman 1984. So I'll just move it down a little bit so you can see. The next one has only 27 colors. It is a 46 centimeter by 66 centimeter. And this one is the People's Princess. And on this one, I wasn't going to get it because I wasn't really thrilled with it, but it went on clearance on Diamond Art Club's website and it was like $7. And so when I saw it on clearance, I thought, well, it's $7 and I will add it to my collection. And it was, definitely worth it. I think it's going to be really pretty. This one is another one that I really do like. And this one is 47 colors. It's another really long princess panel. I'm going to move this up a little bit. Keep going. You need to see how its size this one is. Oh, sorry, I just moved the camera because I moved. Okay, this is a 42 by 125 centimeter, the Daughter of Honor. I have seen this one completed and it is gorgeous. So I'm going to move these and then I will bring out the other ones. So don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Okay, here is the next set. This one is Mad Kitty. It has 36 colors and it is a 28 by 20 inches or 71 by 51 centimeters. This one I am going to get some glow in the dark drills for this and going to do it that way. My daughter did hers like that and it looks really good. So there's that one. The next one's another long one. This one is the Beast. It is a 46 centimeter by 137 centimeter and it has 55 colors. And I really do like this one as well. I'm gonna try to straighten it out on the bottom, the top here. And again, it's been rolled up for a very long time. So I'm gonna move this down. I wish I could have left these out, but I was just so worried. I have pets. I have 2 dogs and I have a cat and I did not want them stepping on this. Didn't want to leave it in my craft room because my dogs are in there a lot. And if I left it in my dining room, my cat loves to go in there because of the big windows. And that would have been a problem too. Okay, so I'm just going to bring this up a little bit. Move this out of the way. And these have been in boxes for a very long time. Okay, this one, go ahead and put this out here. I'm going to try to bring this one back just for a little bit. I didn't realize how much work that this was going to be. And I'm enjoying doing it because some of these I hadn't even taken out of the dust cover. So it's nice to see these, but I had to bring them all upstairs and then I'm going to take them all back downstairs. I have to put them all back in the boxes and hopefully I can get them in the boxes with the drills. But I wanted to do this. So this has 31 colors. It is a 56 by 74 centimeters. And this is My Garden Needs Tending. So there's that one. Not too terribly big. The next one is 50 colors. And this is a 51 by 76 centimeters. It is Love at its Darkest. So I like this one as well. And I did not put on here if these were square or round. They're a combination. It would have taken way too long on that. So I didn't think it really mattered. But here's this one. And then the next one, I'm going to put this over here. This is 44 colors. It is a 71 by 51 centimeters. And this is Lose Something. So there is that one. I'm going to move these, put them in the boxes, and I'll be right back with the others. Don't go anywhere. Okay, here are a few more. This one is Siamese Teas. It is a 55 by 102 centimeter. It has 36 colors. And this one is a fairly new one that I purchased around Christmas, I believe. And it actually came with a new toolkit, so that's pretty exciting. The next one is, let's get all these over. Next one is a Night on the Polar Express. And this one also came with a new toolkit. This is a, 56 colors. It is a 79 centimeter by 56 centimeters. And I am planning on doing this one around Christmas. The next one was another one that I've gotten recently, and I think I bought it around November, December of last year. It has 45 colors. It also came with a new toolkit, and it is the Sugar Plum Fairy. It is a 56 centimeters by 89 centimeters, and it's another one that I'd like to do around November, December time frame. I've had this one in my stash for a very long time. This one is Something Sweet. It is a 51 by 76 centimeters, and it has 46 colors. And then the next one, this was one of my oldest ones that I've had in my stash. This one is 45 colors, and it is a 52 by 59 centimeter Alice in Wonderland. So let me put these up, and I have one more set to go, and then we'll be done. Don't go anywhere. Okay, this is the last of them. This one is All Dogs Go to Heaven. It is a 52 centimeter by 73 centimeter, and it is 31 colors. Let me move it over this way a little bit. This one is so old, it didn't even have Mandie's name on here. I know it's hers, but it didn't have her name on here. And this is one of the really old ones. But this one is Camellia Lady. It is 43 colors, and it is 55 by 83 centimeters. And this one's going to have a lot of black in it, and it's the old black 310s. So I'm a little concerned about this one. And also it's really funny because the cover paper, the release paper, this is so thin. It's not like how it is now. So it's going to be interesting to work on that one. This one I've had for a while, and honestly, I am saving this one. I am savoring it for a time that I really need diamond painting, or really need to be cheered up, or just a rainy day possibly. This is one of my favorites. I love Ariel. And so I know I want to work on her. I just am putting it off because I don't want to finish her. So this is 39 colors, and it is called Underseas Dreaming. It's 47 by 78 centimeters. This one is kind of different, I think, for Mandie's work. This is 65 colors. This one is Matchmaker's Maze, and it is a 65 centimeter by 65 centimeter. This is going to have quite a bit of color in it. It also has a mermaid and a merman, so that's going to be fun to do. And there's other mermaids all at the top, so I'm definitely looking forward to doing this one because I do like mermaids. This one is another one that is a favorite of mine. I've always loved Snow White. She was my favorite princess when I was little. This is called The Fairest of Them All. It is a 42 by 125 centimeter. And this is another one that I've been putting off, but I really think I'm going to get to it this year. We'll see. This one is another fairly new one. It is called the Tinker Fairy. It is a 46 centimeter by 76 centimeter, and it matches the Water Fairy. This is 51 colors, and that's going to be really pretty. I hope that you enjoyed my part 2 of my Diamond Art Club stash. And again, I'm not doing this to show you what I have or to brag or anything. I am just showing you what's possible out there, whether it is Diamond Art Club or whether it is in a D-Stash group. I know I've seen some in a D-Stash group that I really wanted, but the pricing was just outrageous. So it depends on how much on some of these princesses that you are willing to pay to get it. And right now, I'm not willing to do that, but maybe when I finish all of these, I might. Next week's part 3 is going to be my Josephine Wall stash. That one, I only have a few in there. And unfortunately, Diamond Art Club no longer licenses Josephine Wall, which I really hate that. but they are out there as well. So I also want to show it because we are doing the event for Josephine Wall event, so you might be able to find some of those in a destash group as well. Until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.